Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn off Gemini AI on your Android device and stop it from saving or using your data across Google Apps. If you've tried out Gemini and decided you'd rather not keep it running, here's exactly how to disable it safely. First, open the Gemini app on your Android phone. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Gemini Apps Activity. Now you'll see an option to turn off activity tracking. Tap turn off and delete activity, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. This step stops Gemini from saving your past chats and interactions. Next, tap your profile icon again and select Apps. You'll find a toggle switch that allows Gemini to interact with Google Apps and third-party services. Tap that switch to turn it off. This will prevent Gemini from accessing tools like Gmail, Drive, or Calendar. If you've previously enabled Gemini's deep research feature and connected it with services like Gmail, Drive, or Chat, you'll want to turn those off too. To do this, open Sources inside the Gemini app and uncheck those boxes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Gemini AI and stopped it from collecting or using your activity across your Android device. Just keep in mind, even when Gemini Apps activity is turned off, Google may still keep some temporary anonymized data for up to 72 hours to process your most recent requests. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more easy Android tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to learn how to completely uninstall Gemini or switch back to Google Assistant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.